Welding error, low efficiency? Shuopu reveals 4 welding manufacturing core skills for you. No need for complex equipment. Master the key details can improve 30% production efficiency. Tip 1. Material surface treatment is the first step to successful welding. Oil, rust, or oxidized layer will lead to weld porosity and slag. Use 120 mesh grinding wheel to clean the surface to ensure that the metal reveals its original color. Leave 0.5 to 1 millimeter gap at the joint and use the fixture to align it accurately. Tip 2. Parameter mismatch equals wasted cost. Insufficient current is not enough melting depth. Too much current is easy to burn through the thin plate. For example, 1.2 millimeter stainless steel plate, recommended current 90A, voltage 22V, and 6 millimeters carbon steel need to be raised to 160A, 28V. Tip 3. High temperature deformation killer. Step cooling method. Spraying immediately after welding will lead to brittle cracking. The correct practice is natural cooling after welding for 10 seconds, and then use compressed air to uniformly cool down to below 80 degrees Celsius. Comparison of the case. Not staged cooling of the workpiece seam offset 0.5 millimeters, while the error step cooling is only 0.05 millimeters. Tip 4. Weld pipe fish scale pattern control method. The key to say goodbye to rework. Data show that the precise control of the fish scale pattern overlap rate of more than 95%. Depth of fusion increased by 40%. Weld tensile strength exceeded 500 MPa. Fully automated welding robot plus experienced team of engineers to ensure plus or minus 0.1 millimeters tolerant control. This is the bottom line of industrial grade precision. Need a customized welding solution? Visit the official website www.officialpu.com. Shuopu engineers will provide you with technical support.